Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the exact switch you need. Go to Settings, then Camera, and turn off Smart HDR. That stops the phone from merging exposures automatically. Make sure Apple Pro RAW is off too, since Pro RAW keeps more processing. Once done, open the camera app and look for any HDR label on the viewfinder. If it still shows, proceed to Control Center Controls. Doing this removes in-camera HDR processing, so your photos will use a single exposure rather than blended images. Next, make the change inside the camera app itself. If you see an HDR label at the top, tap it and choose Off. On some models, it's under an Auto HDR menu. Also add the camera HDR control to Control Center and confirm it's disabled there, because some phones override app settings via Control Center. Once done, review photographic styles and exposure compensation. They can alter contrast and mimic HDR. This ensures both system and app-level processing are stopped for true single exposure captures. Finish by testing. Take a high-contrast scene and inspect highlights and shadows. No blended look means HDR is off. If HDR still appears, force Quick Camera and relaunch or reboot the iPhone. These simple resets clear lingering settings. Make sure iOS is up to date, and as a last resort, reset camera settings in Settings to factory defaults. Troubleshooting tip: if HDR returns, double-check Smart HDR and Pro RAW toggles. Disabling both and rebooting usually fixes persistent HDR behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.